Hi all, hope you all are doing very well. In the last video, we looked at what is customer journey map and how it can be used as an analytical tool to identify customer experience related issues. But how do we create a customer journey map? What's the process, or is there any process? Yes, there is a process, and let's take a look at it. The best way to create a customer journey map is in the customer journey mapping workshop, also called as CJM workshop. Well, if you do not have a team, you can create a customer journey map all by yourself. But remember, the outcome will be much better in a workshop where the team is diverse. I will show you what are the steps to create a customer journey map in a customer journey mapping workshop. Let's take a look at it. First, identify your user persona and scenario. In this example, our user persona is Mr. Kannan. Second, gather as much data as you can. I mean the research data. CSAT, support logs or recordings, analytics, and any other research conducted. The research data can be gathered from both qualitative as well as the quantitative methods. If you don't have any research data, it is better to create customer journey map after your research is completed. Third, form a customer journey map workshop team. Pick team members from diverse teams such as product management, customer support, technology, marketing, sales, etc. The more diverse the team is, the better it is, and the outcome will be much better. 4. Assign a facilitator, or you could be a facilitator. The main job of a facilitator is to keep the meeting on track. He makes sure that there is a contribution from each team member in the workshop. Now let's begin the fun part. Let's see how the workshop is actually conducted. You can conduct a workshop online or in the meeting room. If you want to conduct a workshop online, there are many softwares like Miro or FigJam which you can use. Any software that is for collaboration is good. If you are conducting a workshop in the meeting room, then give each participant the sticky notes. Ask them to write down their points on the sticky note and paste on the table shown over here. On the x-axis, you can see that there are stages. For example, stage 1 is awareness, stage 2 is research, stage 3 is selection, stage 4 is delivery and follow-up. But depending on the scenario that you have, these stages could be slightly different. On the y-axis, there are sections such as what customer is doing, then what customer is thinking, what are the customer touch points, what are the customer pain points, what are the opportunities for us. Once you are done with the workshop, all it remains is to create a customer journey map just like this one from the data that you have gathered from the workshop and assign the ownership for the team members. Write a comment below and let me know if you have any questions and I will answer to those comments. Or you can send me an email on reachpk@gmail.com, reachpk@gmail.com. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like, share or comment the video. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks. Bye bye.